Hi, David.
Hello, Robert.
How are you?
Welcome to biking in the Sinai. Are you enjoying the cool breeze?
The roofs go past us there. We're heading towards the warm springs. And it's definitely the last thing I want is a warm spring. I'm ready for a cold spring. It's quite hot. That's not too bad.
The sulfur will do you good.
It's on 15 kilometers or so, which isn't that much. Downwind. There's a good breeze too.
There's our fine motor coach that follows us and carries our gear. Our lunch spot here. After about 2/3 of cycling for the day, Robert and Tom, our fearless guide from the UK, one of the staff. We are on the approach to St. Catherine's. After a slow, gradual climb most of the day, and we have about 5 more miles to go before we get to the monastery.
Just behind us here, this was built by the Crusaders. Built by and I'll show you.
I love it when you do that.
Sorry about that.
I have a quick question for you.
Yeah. The torch of the people that really stayed up here too long.
Paul?
Ed, you got 4, right?
Yeah. I use Robert's phone. You've not got reception.
You've got limited service.
Got reception, but not much.
Where are we, Peter?
Sorry?
Where are we?
Where are we? Sinai?
Mount Sinai?
Mount Sinai?
And what happened here?
Video. Moses received the 10 Commandments.